Ace. Hey, reset on every bag. Reset on every bag. Damn, God. Hey, reset on every bag. That's a good job. That's a good rub. Okay, East. That's it. Yeah. Pull that leg through, right? Hey, we can use this on running back, tackle, tight end. There you go. He gonna pop, get that rhythm. It's gonna work. That's it.
Everything's a special team for us. Stick it down.
I gotta really focus on
Run, reach on the return. Run, reach. Run, reach on the return.
Down, flow. Down. Hey, I really gotta jab. Hey, I really gotta emphasize that jab. Don't get there. Boom. Go that inside. Oh, we got hit. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Now get down here right now. Inside that goal. That's it. There you go.
Just moving silent, shit, that's what I heard. Living fast, spinning fast, get it right back to what you heard. Fast like they stuck in slow-mo. I been in my bag, they wanna kill my mojo. For the birds, that's who they for. She a pigeon, he a dodo. Pics and photos, that's a no-go. Give him gas, no Sunoco. Trap jumping, no pole.